Today I'm here with another science experiment, which is milk experiment. For this you will require a bit of milk, food colors, ink filler, detergent and a earbud. Let's begin. First we will pour milk onto your plate. Now let's put the food colors. Now let's take our earbud and roll it in the detergent. Wow! Oh. Science behind it. When the detergent comes into contact with the milk, it weakens the chemical bond between the fats, proteins and the rest of the milk. The soap then attaches to the fat in the milk and this causes the cool patterns that we see. Wow, isn't it cool? You can make any patterns. Isn't this experiment cool? Try this out at home. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Much love, Anu and Tanu. Bye-bye.